TerraSource is investing in its infrastructure and in its machinery in order that we have the most productive and innovative manufacturing facility in the world. Some of the most exciting of our recent improvements are the introduction of new technology and of greater skills for our people, all of which allows us to be more efficient and more productive and assure greater levels of first-time quality through the manufacturing process.
So when I look at the talent in terms of people that we're investing in, when I look at the pieces of equipment that we have scheduled to go in, I can already see that is just going to open up a bunch of opportunities for us to take designs that are known to be very solid and very good and produce a notable jump in terms of their capability and their quality. The more you can push the limits of your capability within manufacturing with your product design, the more innovative your product is.